and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. In this video, I'm going to show you another recipe I love to make for my kids. It's really healthy. So it's green peas and with meat, and I have carrots and potatoes. So stay tuned for this video. I'm going to show you how I make this. Don't forget to please rate this video, give me some thumbs up now, and then let's get started. So I have here 1 kilogram of cooked beef. You can use raw beef if you like, but I wanted the recipe to be a bit quicker. I have 1 kilogram of also pre-cooked green peas. You also need salt, pepper, thyme leaf, and the seasoning you like, which is optional. 1 tablespoon of mustard. A full tablespoon of tomato paste. 2 fresh tomatoes. 4 garlic cloves. 1½ onion. You also need some parsley and basil leaf. I will also add potatoes and carrots and 1 cup of oil. On the cooked meat, I'm going to add the mustard. Then I will season with black pepper, thyme leaf, and some seasoning. I will also slice the half onion and mix well. In a large pot, heat the oil and sauté the meat for a few minutes. Then add in 1 cup of water and let it cook. Now with clean hands, mash the tomatoes in a bowl with ½ cup of water and add the tomato paste. Add it in the pot. Then crush the garlic and add in the tomato sauce. Stir fry the tomato sauce for few minutes. Then add 1 cup of water and let the tomatoes cook. Now meanwhile, slice or blend the onions with basil leaf and parsley all together. Add it in the tomato sauce and cook for few minutes while stirring occasionally. Then add your potatoes and carrots if you like. Cover with 2 cups of water and season with pepper, seasoning, thyme and salt to your taste. Cook until the vegetables are almost done. Add in the cooked peas and stir all together. Cook until all the liquid is almost absorbed and the vegetables are cooked. Now serve with rice or bread and enjoy. Don't forget to like this video or share it with your friends. Have a nice day.